In this video, I will show you how to change your Shopify theme on your phone. To do this, just go to install the Shopify app and sign in. And then what you want to do is click on the three lines in the bottom menu. And from here, click on the online store dropdown. Right there, you will then see themes, so click on that. And then you can see your current theme, which for me is Horizon. If I want to change this, just scroll down. Then here you can find some themes. These right here are free. What you can also do is generate a theme. But for example, I'll just select the saver one here. So what you can do is click on add. Now it's installing the theme. Now it will not yet replace your current theme. So just wait for it to install first. And now once it has been added, what you can then do is click publish. And then again, click publish. What you could also do is customize it first. But once you click publish, it will then replace your current theme. So you can now see my current theme, in this case is now Saver. And if I click on my store, it will now be in that theme. So now you know how to change your Shopify theme on your phone. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.